What's up, everybody? It's about 6:30 a.m. Let's go try to catch a morning bite. Just try to get you some good content. We'll actually troll. Let's troll our 5-inch NLBN. Something's up on my rod. I try to find where exactly it's cutting braid, but no luck. So let's go explore outside of the canal and see if we get on something. We get into squeaky squeaks, which might be annoying on our video. We have a fish on. Oh, he let go. That fish let go. Let me not hit this guy. Felt like a nice tackle. Very nice tackle, but it didn't stick. All right, let's go check out these islands. We've never really fished this island over here. There's bait popping in there. Nice cast, homie. Alright guys, so we might switch up the vibe. We'll throw this here at the docks. And I'll see if we can get on anything, really, at this point. Oh, massive jack was just on it. Alright guys, so we did see that jack, but no bite. Switch up the vibe. We have a little feather jig head I want to try out. I see some snapper right there. Little mangrove right there, too small for him. Alright guys. The docks. Oh, just as I was about to call it. Just as I was about to call it. Let's go. Of course, the Cuda makes sense. Course. This is what tore us up last time. I got you, buddy. If you chill out, bruh, I'll take it off for you. Bite has really been off this morning. Alright guys, we do have a fish on, it feels like a jack, to be honest with you. So I'm gonna put it in reverse and move towards the fish. Leave it to the canal. He's going underneath the docks. Maybe it's a snook. She's running. Oh, it's a nice snook, guys. It's a nice snook. She's running. She's running. This almost looks like a keeper, ladies and gentlemen. Nice hook. Let's go. All right. I'm telling you, you cannot go wrong with these little mullet lures. You're a beautiful snook, man. Blowing up right there too. All right, let's try not to lose the fish. Got it from that. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Nice snook. And he's gonna be short. That's a 25-inch. We're just a couple inches short. Here we go. Buddy. Let's go. Beautiful snook right under the docks. You know, the tide is picking up and the current is kicking right now. So I definitely feel like we will get more bites. So maybe we hang out. I'm telling you, you can't go wrong with the mullet lure. That is our first catch on our new BG 4000 combo. Oh look, we have a scale here. Put it in a cup holder. So it's a little later in the morning, 10 a.m. Usually I try to get out first light in hopes that we catch the first bite, but they're still biting. It's a good sign. That was dope. Really happy at that snook bite. We don't go home skunked out. Just go by the same spot. Maybe there's a friend or two. Don't tell me again. Let's go. Same exact spot, guys. Same exact spot. Same exact spot. Let's try to get it off. She's jumping. She's jumping. Same exact spot. Oh, this feels like a good fish, guys. Good fish. Good fish. Good fish. She's running. Running. Let's go. That's incredible. Let's go. Snug number 2. Alright, so it's definitely not bigger size. Let's go. Number 2, same exact spot. So we're gonna let this baby go. Snook number 2, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get you home safely. Let's go. Let's go. That's the sweet spot. They're chilling right under that dock, that jet ski dock over there. That's number 2, same exact spot. Let's check our, you know, it is frayed. It's so funny that today I told myself, let's go explore other places that aren't the canal. Caught one tiny little barracuda. As soon as we enter the canal, back-to-back snook bites. All right, we're gonna go by for a 3rd pass for the hat trick. Uh-oh. I think I did feel something just hit this too. I hope it's not the shark. Probably was. For the hat trick. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, this is a little tricky. This is a little tricky. Alright, the fish is gonna pull this out. This one feels a little smaller. A lot smaller actually. But they're going crazy for the mullet lure. Yo, hat trick secured. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go. For the hat trick. Let's go. Let's go. Did he just spit this thing out? That's insane, guys. 3 for 3 on the spot. 3 for 3 on the spot. This guy's a lot smaller. And she's out. Incredible. Incredible.